Hi there, I'm Bobby Vale from Advantech and I'm here at Microsoft in Dublin just going through a partner event with the guys here at Microsoft. We're talking to you today about Advantech and IoT. The conversations we have with our customers quite often are all around business optimization. They understand very well that growing the top line on their business is a very difficult thing to do, and what they're doing to increase profitability is to look at how they can improve efficiency in their workplaces, in their processes, so that they can start growing the gap between bottom and top line. Advantech can help in this space by helping our customers understand where they can optimise their workflows, their working processes, their machinery and their manufacturing floor by understanding more about what's going on in that place. By taking Advantech pre-built solutions, we can connect to machines, we can start gathering data and delivering that up into a cloud platform where it can be visualised, analysed, so that a true understanding of what's going on your shop floor is then available to you. So here at Advantech we'd like to invite you along to these events that we're running through the year. If you take a look at the link below, and we very much look forward to seeing you there.